today I will discuss some topics regarding your practical syllabus. Now you know that some portions of the practical was deducted. Okay. Now deducting this portion, but you have to know a common knowledge on practical so that you can score good marks. Although the practical is on the is an internal, but you have to do the practicals same. So there are three kinds of practical basically. One is physical practicals having from the pH, from the titration or etc. And the inorganic part they are having the qualitative analysis part and some organics. Here in class 11 you have to detect only the elements present in the organic compounds. What are the heteroatom, that is nitrogen, chlorine, sulfur etc. present on that atom, on that compound. Okay. Now first of all today I will discuss some physical part. Now physical part there what is standard solution. Now you know that the acid base titration, the indicators, these concepts are on your mind and abiding by these. What is standard solution? The standard solution is that whose strength is known to us. Now standard is of two kind, one is primary standard, another one is secondary standard. Primary, secondary. So primary standard is that whose strength is not changed with time. Okay, this is primary standard. And what is secondary standard? That is it has to be standardized, that is its strength are changes according to the time. Okay, so primary standard, that is oxalic acid is the primary standard, and the secondary standard, that is KMnO4 is an example of secondary standard solution. Okay, so the primary standard solution is used to titrate the secondary standard solution, and from that using the relation, that is N1 V1 equal to N2 V2, using the relation we can detect the strength of the secondary standard solution. Now how to calculate the normality? How to calculate normality? Normality is expressed in the mathematical form that normality equal to number of gram equivalent of solute by the volume of the solution. Normality N, number of gram equivalent of solute by the volume of the solution in liter, volume of solution in liter. So this is the formula to calculate normality. Okay. So number of gram equivalent, how gram equivalent is calculated? So for sodium chloride it is a monovalent. So here the molecular mass divided by 1, but if it is a dibasic, that is if the valency is 2, then its equivalent mass will be divided by 2. Okay. So equivalent mass of an acid, that is the molecular mass of an acid by basicity of that acid. So for example, equivalent mass of sulfuric acid, so its molecular mass is 98 and its basicity is 2. So 49 gram is its equivalent weight. So equivalent weight of base equal to the molecular mass of the base by acidity of that base. So for example, calcium hydroxide. So the equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide equal to the molecular weight divided by 2, because its basicity is 2. Okay. And equivalent weight of the salt is the molecular mass of the salt by total valency of the metal ion in the formula weight. For example, in case of for example in the oxalic acid 126, it is the dibasic, so it is 63 is the equivalent weight. For example, one salt, suppose sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, its equivalent weight is, so number molecular mass, that is 58.5, and total valency of the metal ion in the formula weight. So what is the total valency? total valency is 1, so its molecular mass divided by its total valency, so this is 1, so this is 58.5. So this is the calculation of equivalent weight of the salt. Okay.